This is as natural as it gets. I'm not, spraying things up my nose. I'm not forcing air down my throat. What I'm literally doing is changing my jaw position, which is where most snoring comes from. You'll see a lot of things online where they'll talk about nasal sprays, and that's the problem, or strips to open up your nose. And yeah, that might help with creating an air passage through your nostril. But if your jaw is falling back, where most snore cases come into play, if your jaw is falling back and closing your air pathway in your throat, none of this is going to matter.